Morning. Gosh, that was a bit loud. All right, good morning. Man, that was full on. Scared me. Yeah, just to get the nerves going. All right. Cool. So yesterday was, man, cracking day, cracking CPI. Just did exactly what it usually does. Hey man, I didn't trade German 40 though for it, but took gold. Didn't partake in the buys as it just shot up, but then just waited for it to sell off, which it usually does. Indication of sell off was once we approach, then where's the pen? Here it is. Shot up, then wick fill. So the easy trade there to have taken for the wick fill, and then as we started to really struggle at these highs, 2047 handle, over to the left, there's a key point of interest. We just started seeing signs of rejections. So then as soon as we got the candle to close underneath support, that was where I got in. Got in here. Made a mistake and closed my whole position here instead of taking partials. Just glanced at I was pushing the button and then my phone went off. And as I didn't look and I pushed the wrong button, closed everything. But that's okay. 100 pips, that's what I was pretty much going for. Price retraced then, and then there was another opportunity to sell off and then overshoot the whole move. All the way down to here. Then I took a little buy. I was looking to buy above 2035 again. If it shot down here and then closed back above, and then do a wick fill up. But then as soon as this clean candles to the left, price came up, formed a little rejection, closing back above here again, then it was a 50 pip move, because gold likes to do that, goes in 50 pip waves. So yeah, pretty decent. Now our focus though is on a German. So we're 10 minutes to the open. A bit of volume kicking in already here. My bias isn't as clear today as it has been the last few days. I really like selling from up. Well, I missed the trade yesterday. That was a real bummer here. But selling from up to 16,000s was quite nice and easy. We had there's two competing forces now, two narratives. One was that inflation was going to be hot, interest rates were going to go up, and that would have led to the initial liquidity grab and sell off as it was following US indices. It's done a decent recovery. So because the inflation came out basically as expected, no real change, only a tiny decrease. Initially, that means, yep, hikes are going to happen next, potentially. Well, potentially there's still going to be a hike next month, and that will have, even if it's because this is German 40, it'll still have a negative effect. But now what they started talking is like increasing the probability of rate cuts by the end of the year. So that's a positive tailwind for German 40. Oh yeah, Damon, that's quite nice, eh? That intro. So I've got to change this music up. So I was getting tired of the other stuff, but YouTube wants to like flag everything. Even if you've got it in the audio library, they'll flag it sometimes. So it's my job to do, is just find new stuff. Anyway, so we've got basically clean candles at the top. We've got some clean candles down the bottom. We've got, I should move that little, just to make it more accurate. Clean candles and clean candles. Then we have a bit of supply, if you want to call it supply. And you got a little bit of demand down here. So in this area, we can go two ways. It really depends on where price wants to go from the outset. This, to me, this reminds me of a news day. Or just before the news. As it sets up and it's sort of just in here. And then it can just do that again. We really are getting stuck in this bit of a tricky area now. This whole area. I'm still bearish. I'm still bearish actually. I can just see us getting a clean move down. And that could be bumpy road going for sells. I have to watch the price action closely. POIs. We've got our sessions already in. Oh my God. Okay. I think worst case scenario would be literally in 5 minutes, and this just goes like that. Yeah, let's go down. Let's just little wick up and then break the low. I might even have to go impulsively on this one. Just target a clean push down, clean drop. Yeah, I like sales better. We do have news, but that's not till 11, I think. 12 o'clock. And then we've got US news as well. No real comments yet. But they are more talking about hikes in the ECB. Yeah. Okay. Still as it is. Liquidity grab, maybe? If it breaks this low, it's a bit tricky just to enter impulsively. So, yeah, still not going to be the easiest one today. How long we got? 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. Come on, go up. Go up, hit a POI, and then look for the same pattern as yesterday. Well, if it doesn't break the high, I still look for the same pattern as yesterday. But it'd be nice if it takes the liquidity that's left behind here. All right. Buy to sell coming up. Got to figure out how high it's going to go. So still bullish momentum. So it's got to chill.
Haydos.
Hey, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Are you well?
You get the long, did you? Or are you waiting for shorts?
I'm waiting for shorts. How about you?
I was just having a chat with Terry, so I'm not sure.
You guys getting any luck with that?
I was just no, I didn't get the downloaded version to work, but we're just gonna stick with the web version for now.
All right, I'll sort it out when I get there.
No dramas.
Good morning.
Hey, Akshay.
Yeah, got any trade or still waiting for?
Still waiting. Yeah, I wasn't too keen on the buys. Even I can see the buys working out. I can see a nice push just in general, but I'm looking for the sells. I was saying earlier that there's the way it's set up pre-news with this push down, and then clean candles below, clean candles above, and then just consolidating in the middle. Reminds me of a news setup.
Yeah, even yesterday's that entry on gold, it was just before the news. It was like doing exactly same things, doing a manipulation before the news.
Yesterday, that was. Did you get those sells at all?
No. I was away from the chart after that.
Yeah. Yes.
When I saw that push to the upside, I just leave the chart and I decided to come back tomorrow. I mean today.
Yeah. Okay. That was a great.
But it was a good sell for you, man.
Yeah.
I think you got more than 100 pips there.
Yeah, I made a mistake and closed full at 100 pips instead of it didn't leave any runner.
No, it's still good. By the way, whenever you see something like that, you got a complete reversal. You can hold that trade till like where the news started.
Yeah, I was gonna hold all the way down to I was planning to hold the whole like for far longer. I was just closing. I was gonna close 50%, and then close full accidentally. Pushed the wrong.
Yeah,
literally
but still,
pushed the wrong
100 pips
button.
is good.
Oh no, I'm happy with it. Yeah. As soon as I did it, I looked up and I was like, "Where's my trade gone?" And then I was like, I just couldn't. I was like, "Damn it!" I thought maybe the magic keys had just malfunctioned, and I realized I must have just pushed the wrong button. Stupid. All right, we've got a little resistance in. Got to see if this is going to be a little support. Otherwise, we just got to wait for this to slow down.
Can you go to the 2 hours? On 2 hours, it's like we just wanted to push to the upside. Yeah, here. So first, sorry. Let me change the. Okay, yeah. So first manipulation, second manipulation, third manipulation, and you can consider this as a liquidity now. Based upon 2 hours, 1 hour and the 4 hour is saying something different, because we based upon 1 hour, 4 hour, it's look like we want this is a premium area for the sell.
Yeah, that's where I'd like to sell from. I'm gonna have to start looking at build the 2 hour into my morning routine.
I mean, if I usually look into the other time frame when I see the it's confusing in the other let's say on the 1 hour or the 4 hour time frame. So it's better to see the like a 3 hours, 2 hours to see you get a perspective about the other time frame also.
I'm anticipating this candle.
There.
This type of candle here. Over here. No, this one. This current one.
Oh, current one. Yeah, it can happen.
Yeah.
We still have like how many 2 hours, I think? No, 1 hour for the closing.
Like this one, yesterday's one. Then we had a couple lower volume days, but then last week, this one, this one, all the same time. 8 o'clock one. This one was bullish. This one I'm waiting for. So So it's just reaching up, grabbing liquidity, get buyers really interested, and then we can be a snake in the grass.
Yeah, and based upon yesterday daily close, it's definitely we wanted to push to the downside.
Yeah, definitely with the interest rates coming in focus.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, the yesterday's we broke the previous daily high and closed bearish. So it's we already did the manipulation.
Hopefully it doesn't go too high or too strong in this down candle. Okay, so we're getting a little resistance. Now we need a little support. This is us. Okay, first little candle. Move this one up.
Manipulation here, then probably like this.
Yeah, I just hope it's not a really quick one going down, where it doesn't give you the, because yesterday we couldn't get the entry.
Oh, I think we are leaving.
Come on, don't do it again. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. All right.
Uh, 5 minute did not close exactly like a rejection candle. It closed like a doji candle.
Yeah, that's all good. I think I'm just going to wait for this one to close and then break in this low. I'll get in something like that. Just want this one to close bullish. Okay. Come on, hang in there. Three seconds. Cool. Alrighty. Alright. So little bearish candle, a little rejection. And maybe break the low of the bearish candle. I can shift my entry up.
Maybe pushing upside, retesting this candle, and then probably closing bearish.
Yeah, if it does that, I can get a tighter entry. Okay. Tap 30-minute imbalance. Yep, I saw that. Oh, you got the buyers. Good one. Okay. 20 seconds. Hang in there, buddy. Don't go too far. Okay. I feel like it's too soon to push the button just yet.
Yeah, it's look good now based upon this SCS. It just has to break this low now.
Yeah. Okay, there we go. That's it, mate. maybe a little bit early because of that wick. Might do another leg up, but I'm in. Concerned about this support candle. I'd like, yeah, there we go. Let's drop now. Yes, drop, drop, drop. Okay, so this is another little danger area. But breaking that, we should be able to get some momentum falling away.
Okay, let's see for the target now if this 15-minute is able to reject from the upside. So
Yeah.
still looking good. 15-minute is looking good. If price is closing below this.
Yeah. Come on, close. 20 seconds. Can still do another little leg up following this little path to do the retest, because I haven't really done a little retest.
The only thing I concern is this candle, like why this
Yeah.
price left that thing.
Yeah. Okay, it didn't close. Didn't close lower. But it left a little one on its own down here. Be quite nice if this closes bearish.
Mm-hmm.
8 seconds, come on. Flip bearish. 2, 1. Ooh. Feel like this is in a dangerous spot now. Took the high by 0.01, by 0.1. Yeah, might consider closing this one. Just let it ride a little bit longer.
Now it should turn bearish, otherwise we continuously just push to the upside.
Yeah, otherwise it's not ready. I'll have to give it a second chance later on. Yeah, no, it's no good. Yeah, momentum still to the upside. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Still got a bit further to push up, though, because this is just a pullback. pull back, create support, and then V shape. Yeah, that's a 5 minutes. Nice continuation. Nice continuation candle.
Yeah, that 5 minute did not close the way we wanted. This candle did not close like a bearish one.
Yeah.
And next 5 minute is also like a doji candle close. So that's why price again came back to the upside.
I'm just hanging in there still.
Okay. We'll close bearish then. This 5 minute. 40 seconds.
Holy, I'm alive. Well, it's not. Maybe it's.
Maybe close the position right now and wait for the better opportunity.
Yeah.
This is like a good way to closing. Like why this doji candle left there.
Yeah. Come on, break these lows.
Yeah, break that doji low. That it will be easier to push.
Yeah, I closed it. Close it basically break even. Made I made 3 pips.
Without commission or with commission, you must be with commission you must be break even then.
There's no commission on this one.
Oh, no commission.
No.
Oh, okay, great.
No, just the spread. Spread's 0.3. So that's so nice. So 5 minute is looking like I just want something to close underneath. This is the pattern I'm looking for. Something to close under here, retest sells. But this is suspicious.
Maybe if price created HCS in this area, then you don't have to worry about that doji. But right now, it's really sufficient. Price can simply start pushing to the upside.
Yeah. Let's go to all chart view. Yeah, I mean, the setups, the idea is pretty simple now. Just got to wait for something to close. Close or reject and then break strong. Like this. Damn it. Anyway, let's see. Come on. Let's do another. You're still in? Yeah, let's drop it for Sarah. Waiting for another chance. What's gold doing? 2025.
Giving me a hard time.
Yeah. It's the usual in London, isn't it, for gold lately?
No, it dropped like 300 pips.
In London?
Man, it just went, it's like the floor fell out from underneath it.
In London?
Yeah. I didn't measure it. It just took off like an absolute rocket.
Oh yeah, I did go 100 pips.
It was super quick. Oh, here we go. There's your
Oh
German.
shit! I wasn't looking. Damn it!
I think gold want to push to the upside now.
Oh yeah. Okay, there's the close. Three-minute close, beautiful. Yeah. To see when this 5 minutes gonna close. What's going on? The terminal's frozen.
I mean, mine did that before.
Who's MT4?
No, I'm too far.
No, Sarah was asking who's MT4. Well, yeah. Oh, there we go. Now it's catching up. It's like, it's a bit scary. I was a bit shocked then. You know, magic keys for you got to change the decimal point for German 40 to show like correct pips. So the pip counter was saying minus 360. I was like, oh my god, and it was just minus 3.6 pips. Yeah, now it's dropping nicely. So I re-entered, but it was frozen when I got in, so it was at 26. So yeah,
Okay,
when I was
I'll close
crossing
this off.
this. Let's go, baby, come on. What's the chances that this 1 hour candle now can do what I was looking for? To flip bearish and keep pushing down.
Then you can even hold. So people who got the entry at the top, they can hold their position.
Yeah, I was one of those. Was. Okay, this is a real danger now. Clean candle. It's filled the clean candle. So, is it now just going to push up?
Just retest this candle and then can vanish.
There's left a lot to go up, still upside. Well, it's a pretty strong push, you know. The 15 minutes is, I really don't want this one to push any stronger on the 15 minutes because otherwise it's done a full retest. One hour liquidity, haven't tapped into, yeah, just above here. A few pips above that 1 minute doji, would be nice to take that, then move down. A few pips below liquidity body, no, if it hasn't touched, hasn't touched. Alright, so this is looking precarious. That was a pretty strong 5 minute close. Who knows? Who really knows? Closes the 15 minute doji, so really it's just, this is your range. This is your range for price.
That means it can come back one more time to the upside to take out that doji high.
Yeah. Because it did leave these things behind. So all the time frames, you can create different plans on different time frames. So it's in a bit of a confused state. It's not, and this is what I really don't like looking at it when we've got clean candles above, clean candles below, because it gives you really mixed intentions. This area needs to be filled. This area needs to be filled. So in which order is it going to do that? Other days is clearer.
Bull buys.
I'd be happier being looking for buys, seeing this, than if I was, but I'm looking for sells.
Yeah, this thing.
Yeah. Yeah. French 40 was clean, was it? Yeah. Going for a retest, 30-minute, could do wick fill, break high to then create FU or attempted FU to downside. The other indices are bullish. Yeah. Well, it gave a clean move. Tricky.
Gold is looking good now. Okay, pushing to the upside.
Yeah, this looks like it's just going to grind higher against my bias. Okay, taking that doji now. No, not yet. Now we have. Hours looking strong, man. Yep, 30-minute wick fill. This is where it's going. Yeah, so today was tricky. See what it does here now. I think it's just going to keep on grinding higher. It's got plenty of more poisons always to the upside. Plus you got the clean candles. So this idea didn't work out. I'm willing to give it another shot, but I need to wait for a good setup. I'm not going to flip my bias. But I've only got like 20 minutes for it to happen. Yeah. Yeah, if we did see something like that, it would be nice. Wick up, and then a strong bearish candle, close back inside. Maybe this one. See if any headlines coming out. Looks like with that inflation reading that came out, more the talks that rate cuts are, yeah, I think they're talking about like the rate firming that there will be cuts at least early next year, or when these cuts will happen. This is a risk on environment. See how like it nearly closes strong and then it just pulls back a little bit in the last like 10 seconds.
You got a few second delay on
I compared to yours.
me.
Yeah, things are playing
I know
up.
it's a different broker, but
My terminal is constantly freezing. What time does it say here on yours?
I'm on the bloody web one, so it's not really that good. But I'm just looking at the price action, the price, like current price, the speed that it's moving up and down. I'm on the same chart as you are, and it's big difference.
Right. Yeah, it's not good. I'm looking at the seconds, and sometimes I feel like these seconds get stuck, and then it sort of speeds up. And my terminal, my internet's good, but my terminal is even freezing.
But at least you don't have a delay like me. I had delay here. This.
Oh, really? You got the little sunset or something?
Yeah.
Oh, serious? Why's that?
I think you have a pro version of trading.
Oh,
Maybe
okay. Yeah, that'd make it way tougher for you to trade.
Yeah, 5-second delay.
Gosh. So this is the first little piece of the puzzle. That sort of just counters everything if it closes like that.
Yeah.
Which it did. Very good.
Catching a ninja star.
Yeah, okay.
So that becomes 5-second delay.
Yeah, that's not good. Is that for all the indices or just German 40?
For Nasdaq also same thing.
Okay. What about
I'm only looking
what
at
about
the
Jow?
German 40 and Nasdaq.
Oh, okay,
US30, yeah, same delay.
right. Must be for indices.
Yeah, that means need a pro version for that or the premium.
Yeah, get it on Black Friday sales.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm just watching to see if I start getting some more rejections here. I'm willing to give it another go. And what I'd look for, just want to see some rejection candles, and then just close below 15,950. Then I'll just sell again. If this breaks the high, it's going to reset the whole thing again.
And again, pushing to the upside.
Yeah. Nowhere near as fun when it's going against the bias.
Oh, it's nicer.
Every time I look, it's around 2025 or 2026. Is that what you said, Gold?
Yeah, I took a buy from here, still waiting to see.
Oh, yeah. Alright, here we go. It's going to pop, go into fresh new territory. Waiting for someone to say something.
In the Zoom or news?
News.
Okay. I'm trying to shut up a bit.
No.
Yeah, if
Talking's
someone
better.
said on the Zoom the price could have moved, we could have talked a lot just to move the price.
Yeah. Imagine that. Okay, breaking the low of this guy, and then all these little dojis sort of just sticking at this area. So we're inside of this liquidity candle wick. This
And how many times price did these things?
Yeah.
So, a lot of opportunity for sell. Here is the first one, second one, third one. Maybe this will be the fourth one again.
Hope so. Because we do have room down the bottom. Do have room further. We
Yeah,
didn't
we are
break it
rejecting
yesterday.
from this week, whole week.
Yeah, and that was rejection off of this far to the, from January to the left. Okay, 3 minutes looking all right. Is this going to be the one that closes underneath?
5 minute is also looking good. Like we are rejecting from the upside and closing bearish. Then probably we will start pushing to the downside.
Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, this is the kind of, now it's just took some waiting, but second chance, because this is the first time that it closed like that. Second time. But this one, the wick's a little bit higher, whereas this wick didn't go as high.
Yeah, and this is also new 15-minute candle. So we already broke the previous 15-minute high.
Oh, damn it. I thought that was going to happen. Okay, give us another one of these. Let's focus on the 3 minutes.
1 minute's a nice liquidity grab.
No wick on the top for that one. It's looking alright, isn't it? Clean candles now. Just let this one close. Okay, it's a bit strong still. Oh man, not happening.
I took the entry here. Let's see. Keeping stop loss maybe here. Then if price breaking this high, I can close partial.
Let's see. Just needs to break under these guys. It could be onto a good one. Where are you targeting?
First this one, and then probably this. How based upon how this 15-minute, 30-minute candle close, I can decide. Right now, 30-minute has to close bearish. Then it's easier for me to hold that position.
Yeah. So I see some momentum kicking in, hey?
Yeah, nice. Almost like 20 pips. No, 17 pips.
Good one. Sniper.
Let's see. Depending upon how this 15 as well as 30-minute hourly candle close.
Yeah.
If it closing bearish one, it's a good indication we want to push to the downside.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right, there we go. Come on, get some momentum. Yeah, I'd like to see the 900 hit at least. At the very least.
We still have this candle problem, so that's why I'm securing some profit. Then probably price able to break this low, then it's easier for price to push to the downside. Because on this time frame, it's look like we are this is just a pullback to again pushing to the upside.
Yeah. Never sure if mine is just frozen or because now I'm getting concerns about the delay.
Ooh.
Okay, nice push. I mean the drop.
Yeah, drop. Someone's asking in the chat if they can buy. You can buy if you want. I'm not buying. My bias is sells, rightly or wrongly. I'm sticking to my bias. But I can see both sides. Today was, from the start of the stream, I was talking about how the 30 an hour structure wasn't as clear as other days gone by. When you got clean candles above and below, it looked like a news day setup.
Okay, nice close on 15 as well as 30-minute, I think.
Hopefully it's just a friendly pullback in the new 15-minute candle. Still didn't break the low though. So still making higher highs, higher lows, which is kind of shitty. So if we get the momentum, we can do a wick fill. Oh, Sarah went outside. Answer the door, missed the cells. Yeah, as soon as it closed underneath.
Drop. Maybe on 15 minutes, we have this is candle is like a doji band. Sorry, this one. So we already taken out the high here, so probably we will start moving to the downside. But securing is always good, like securing some profit.
Yeah.
Because still the momentum is not shifting. Like we need that has to be taken out this low. Then probably this thing can happen. Right now, pushing to the upside now. Any kind of manipulation again, because right now we created like this kind of structure, so any kind of manipulation in this area again move to the downside.
Yep, agreed. Oh, here we go. Some news popping in. Consumers see 2.9% inflation 3 years ahead versus 2.4. Consumers 5% versus. So inflation, consumers see higher inflation for longer. That should be a headwind.
So that basically means that they don't believe what that last lot of news was saying.
No, it's just it used to be 2.4%, and now they've raised their expectations. So they're seeing higher.
This is for tonight's one.
Sorry?
This is anticipation for tonight's news.
No, this is just news coming out. So ECB must have done like a survey, and then and consumers came out and said from the flash survey they would have done, or the study that they did, and now it's just revised expectations. So it's just the news coming out. But we don't know if that was if it's in red, so they're saying that it could have an impact. Anything from ECB comments should have an impact. But these are the unscheduled news.
Yeah.
You see how as soon as it came out. So actually you're securing some here with this little doji, are you? See if it can close underneath here, then we can clean candles further on the back of that news. It was definitely not scheduled. Let me just check Forex Factory. Maybe it was actually a yellow folder. No, nothing. No, it was just what happens around this time is news outlets and banks, they get the work and they start talking and reporting things. So this is why you get these little headlines and people speaking. Come on, keep on dropping. 15-minute looking beautiful. Just need to break this candle. Then we can really get the momentum flood in. That's not it. Shit, it's difficult, man. It's nasty.
Channel instruction.
Yeah, sucks. It was just hesitating like this. It's one of those days. Oh, sorry. Was it this one or was it 15? You're saying that's like a bearish candle? Or to retest?
Oh, I was on mute.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I was saying the 30-minute did not close like we wanted previous 30-minute,
Yeah.
but still we still have hope, depending upon how this candle close. This can be just creating a fake support to again push to the downside.
Mm-hmm.
That's why securing is always good. Securing some profit.
Yeah.
I think on terminal we broke the high of the previous candle.
On the 5 minute we what am I on? Terminals on 1 minute. Yeah.
3 minute.
My
3 minute as well as on 1 minute also.
it's a double top on mine.
Oh, okay.
Gold looks good. Gold just looks like it's... Oh, I did move it down. Every time I look at it, I'm seeing it stuck in this area.
Yeah, I had to close that at break even here.
Mm-hmm. Okay, come on. Do it again. Break this low. Continue pushing down. So I'm just wondering, because it's kind of setting up again in that where you got not really clean candles at the top, but I don't like it when it's doing this. Come on, you got to close there now. You got to close under. 20 seconds. Nope. Oh, far out, man. So frustrating. All right, it's not really doing it for me. I'm gonna, yeah, not a good session, unfortunately. Buys were the best move. There were a couple little sell options, but just everything was very short-lived. So yeah, that's it. I guess it's gonna just wait for we've got the Bank of England interest rates. So I'm not gonna entertain this any longer. Terry, you still here?
Yes, I am. Sorry, just couldn't unmute.
Oh, good. Alrighty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the stream. I'll keep the Zoom going, and let's just sort out your MT4 situation, okay?
Yeah, I think Glenn helped me a lot with, just realizing I can do it on the web browser version.
Yeah, but you can. It could definitely work. Let's just get it working. So anyway, I'm gonna end the actual YouTube stream. So thanks for attending, everyone. Just shitty day. No real good move. So I'm actually down. Those little trades was up about 0.5% on both positions, and I didn't really secure. Anyway, alrighty. So that's it for the day for this London stream. I'll end it now.